Hey, good morning. It's Jenny Yates with 4RC, and it is 46 degrees. November 10th, cloudy morning. It was drizzling, supposed to be drizzling all day. I was hoping for a nice drizzle during this meditation this morning, but maybe it'll start. Who knows? And I'm enjoying the view of another one of my favorite trees. Isn't that exquisite? If the water wasn't, probably about 20 degrees, I might wade into it and climb up in her trunk and hang out for a while. Wouldn't that be fabulous? So I'm gonna let you take a few seconds and just soak up the view. Okay, very nice. Last night I posted 4RC's first nighttime meditation. It was so much fun to set up. And I was referencing the ether element, or the element of space, and how we can connect to that element. And this morning I would like to reflect on the element of water. All right? So the human body is made 60% of water. Isn't that amazing? And in religion, the body of water, or living water, is referred to as Jesus or God or Christianity or renewal. Scientifically, water helps other chemicals and atoms and molecules break down, regenerate, create something new. Water is also considered the most powerful element because it can move around any obstacle, and it can wear down mountains with ease over a great amount of time. So I wanted to reflect on that power and how we are part of that element and what that means for us. Okay? So I'd like us to just shut down eyes or take a moment, and I'm going to help you with this. I'm going to pan around so you can enjoy the view instead of me. Okay? So I'm going to move the camera there, and let's just meditate. Either shutting down eyes or keeping your eyes open is completely up to you. And let's hold space for water and how that element applies to our life, and how water can move around obstacles without ever changing its essential nature. That even us, as humans, 60% water, can hold greater awareness for obstacles and our ability and our power to move around those obstacles without changing the core of who we are. We don't have to forcefully take on every single challenge that comes our way. That there's great wisdom in moving around obstacles. Right? Great strength. So let's take a deep breath in and release. Just allow ourselves to notice where we're sitting, and notice how good it feels to be supported. And to know how deeply we are composed of water and how to best utilize that power in our own experiences. All right. Well, I hope you have a wonderful day. Just be mindful today of the water element and carry that experience with us. Be very intentional as we start our days to move around obstacles without having to change that which we are, and that there's a lot of power and strength in that. All right, have a great day.